Hey guys, you might be at a point where you are starting in the world of photography and you wanted to take beautiful pictures and edit them the way you have shot them. You might have heard people saying that if you shot your pictures in a raw format, you will get the best out of your pictures. Now, the problem you might be facing right now is you have shot your beautiful pictures of landscape, people, architecture, or maybe anything that you wanted to shoot. But the problem that right now you are facing is you have shot beautiful pictures, but as soon as you are importing them in your editing software, it may be Lightroom, it may be Photoshop, or it may be any other software that you are using right now. But the problem that you are facing right now is whenever you are looking your pictures in the camera, they look beautiful. As soon as you are importing them in your editing software, all the saturation, all the brightness, all the clarity that you have captured in your camera of that particular scenario goes down. So what's happening in that scenario? What is happening at that moment? How your pictures are not getting the same way you shot them. So let's hop into the computer and let me show you how you can get the same pictures that you have shot in your camera. So first of all, just for the confirmation, right click on the pictures, go to the properties just to make sure that you have shot in a raw format. Now here it shows .nef, which is exactly what I wanted to see because I am shooting on Nikon and Nikon format is .nef. Now you might be shooting on Sony, Canon, which have different names like CR2 for Canon, .nef for Nikon. It is just to confirm that you have shot your pictures in RAW and now you can move forward. So what I'll do next is I'll just right click on it, open with, either I can use Photoshop, Lightroom, the process is same. Let me show you for the Lightroom first. So I'll click on the Lightroom. As you can see, a pop-up window has appeared. First of all, I'll select that picture which I want to import. Right now the picture is already selected. I'll just click on import. So the first thing after importing a picture that you'll see is you have to select your picture. Now your picture is selected, then you'll have to go to the develop module. So the first thing that I see is I have shot this picture on a vivid profile on my camera, as different cameras have different profile. So I'm not getting the same picture which I have shot at that time. So what you have to do is, here's an option called profile, and as you can see right now there's Adobe color. So what happens usually is by default whenever you import any camera picture, it may be on Nikon, Canon, Sony, first of all Lightroom put it with Adobe color profile. What you have to do is just click on it. Either you can select one of these or you can go to the browse menu. So these are the Adobe color profile that is provided by Lightroom, and if you scroll a little bit down you will find camera matching options. Now my camera has flat, landscape, neutral, portrait, standard, vivid and many. As I've shot this picture on vivid, so I'll click on this, boom, you can see it right over here. All the colors that I've shot in my camera are back in my pictures. So let me show you a little bit difference what happened. This is the picture with the colors vivid mode. This was the picture that I was getting when I am importing my files on the Lightroom. So as soon as I switch to the color matching profile, like I shot it on vivid, I got the result. Now from here you can take your editing to the next level, or I like this picture in the way that I have shot it, so I might just export it. For that I'll just put it over here, go to export, choose a particular folder. I have already this file, but I'm going to overwrite it just for you people. So now it shows exactly the same colors that were on my camera. So this was the tutorial for the Lightroom. Now let's hop into Photoshop tutorial. Now again what I'll do is I'll go to the same picture, the raw format picture which we have taken, right click on it and I'll open it with Photoshop. I'll let the Photoshop take a minute for it to open. Now as you can see, if you have shot this picture in a JPEG, it would have directly opened in your Photoshop, but as this picture is a raw, now there is a camera raw option that popped up before opening the picture in the Photoshop. Again the same procedure, nothing different, you just have to go, as I have already selected camera vivid, it is showing, but otherwise what it would have showed Adobe colors. So the picture would have looked like this at that time. Because I have already changed the profile, that's why it was showing camera vivid. Otherwise, whenever you are taking the picture, you are editing it, it would always show for the first time Adobe and color. That's the basic profile that you are going to see. So what you have to do is just go to your camera matching. You might have, if you are shooting on a Nikon, you might have shot it on portrait, you might have shot it on a standard or the vivid, whichever thing you have shot it on. Just select that one. Just you can see, as soon as I select the picture, the quality and the colors of the pictures pop up. That's what it is in vivid. So I'll select that. I'll open my image. So now from here you can take your picture to the next level by editing it, creating more depth and layers and all. But I already like that picture which we have exported, so I'm going to post it to my social media account. You can check it out over there. So I hope this video is a little bit helpful for you, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up so I can make more of these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, so whenever I put these type of informational video regarding photography and cinematography, you'll be able to know about it. Just press the bell icon, and if you have any specific question about photography, cinematography, which you wanted to know, which you wanted to make me a video regarding that, just comment down below and let me know. I'll make a video regarding that. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.